Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PrizePicks, how to choose winning picks consistently. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your PrizePicks app, and then once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now what you need to do is understand the scoring system. Before making picks, understand how PrizePicks scoring works. Each sport and player type may have different scoring systems based on their performance metrics. Know the nuances of each sport to make accurate predictions. Number 2 is research player trends and matchups like player performance, opponent matchup, and home or away factors, and consider playing usage and minutes as well, like playing time and injury reports. Look for a value in the lines, avoid betting on big favorites, and target undervalue picks. Understand the context of the game, like team context and game style. Leverage statistical analysis, use advanced stats to guide your decision, for example basketball, football, and baseball. Diversify your pick, track your results, and manage your bankroll as well, and then use data from experts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.